Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is July the 15th of 2025, and we are on day number 89 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. All right. So if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about here, if you're just new to this video, we are shooting a 365-day challenge, and that's where we're going to use one offer from a place called ClickBank, okay, and we're going to use a service called My Legion Secrets for traffic, okay. We're going to put those two together, and we're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income within 1 year of doing so, okay. So follow along with me, guys, in this journey. It's going to be a good one. And I just wanted to share with you guys how easy it is to make money with this method, guys, and that anyone can do it if you're looking for extra income. All right. So we're on day number 89. Let's go ahead and hop right over right to it. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to send out an email in the system. This one right here is My Legion Secrets, guys. This is a email service that's going to provide you 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. So every day you come into your back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 new subscribers. Okay. Now, what the difference is between 100 to 200 is however many accounts that you have. Okay. The cool thing about My Legion Secrets, you can have multiple accounts. Okay. And so what you would do is you would sign up for the service. And then after you sign up for the service, you're going to sign up under yourself, okay, using a different email address, and you're going to be able to stack those accounts, and that way you can get this thing up to where you're getting, thousands, that over 1,000 people every single day of new subscribers coming in, depending on how many accounts you set up. Okay. So, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now, going on 3.5, 4 years. Okay, I totally love the service. I've been doing this for a while, guys. So now I'm just kind of showing you guys how to do it. That way you can stack your accounts up and you can start making that extra cash. All right. So your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing difference is going to be like the emails that you're sending out versus what I'm sending out. Okay. But other than that, your back office is going to look exactly like mine. All right. Now, me, I have 8 different accounts. Okay. You don't actually have to run out and go grab 8 accounts, but I do recommend that you do get enough accounts, maybe 2 or 3 starting out with. And then once you start making money with those, then you can kind of scale up and get more accounts. All right. Now, I did leave a link below this video. So if you go down here to the More tab and you click on this tiny URL, /MLGS True Freedom. This is where you're going to be able to click on this link and it's going to take you to the My Legion Secrets. Okay, go ahead and get signed up. Send me an email once you get signed up. Let me know that you signed up under my account, and then I'll go ahead and send you some bonus emails that I use to earn income with this method. All right. So let's go ahead and let me show you how easy it is to send out an email. I've already sent out all 8 of my emails today, so I'm just going to show you guys how to send out one real quick. So the main part that you're going to be hanging out at is going to be the mailing system. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. So let's go ahead and click on select all. Okay, once you click on select all, that's just going to load your emails up. That way, we're going to send out one email blast, and it's going to go to over 108. Well, it's going to go to 183,000 people. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here and let's figure out what email we want to use. Okay, the offer that we're going to be using is an offer on ClickBank called Social Sales Rep. This is one of the top offers on ClickBank in the business opportunity section, and they have 20 different email swipes that you can use, and these are free, and they do really convert, guys. They these convert. I promoted these emails before, and I've earned income with these emails, so that's why I'm advising you to do so. So what we're going to do is just kind of go through each and every one of these, and we're going to just send these out. Okay. So let's say, for instance, let's go ahead and grab this subject line right here. Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and then Control V. Boom. We're just going to paste that in there like so. We're going to come down here to the body of text here. You want to click on perfect timing. Okay, and we want to grab the body on this text right here. All right, super easy, guys. So we're just going to grab all that, Control C. Now, underneath every email on these email swipes, there's going to be an affiliate link that goes with the email. So all we got to do is paste this link into our email, and we want to make it a clickable link. So when someone clicks on this link where it says hit this link, it takes them to this affiliate page right here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. So let's go ahead and go here, Control A, Control V. Okay, we want to take out where it says signature. You either want to put in management or put in your name. Okay. Let's just try management. Okay. And since it's more of like, job layout, okay, that's why I put management. Just depending on how the email, reads and how the layout of the email is if you're going to want to put your first name or management. But with these emails, it seems like most of them are kind of job oriented. So I put management. Okay. So let's go ahead and control C here. And we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. We don't want to address them by their last name or full name, just by their first name. So let's go ahead and take this name out right here. Take that out. And let's go ahead and control V and let's paste that in there, right? Okay, so now when this email goes out, it says like, hey, Jermaine, hey, John, hey, whatever their name is. And then it goes into the email. It's much more personable. And what we're looking for is a call to action, bold text. So as you can see, whatever bold text is in these emails and the pre-written emails, they're basically letting us know where to make a clickable link. Okay, so the bold text, every time that you see this bold text in these emails, these are basically call to action words. Okay, something like apply now, click here now, hit this link, go here. Like those are call to action words. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to turn those into clickable links. That way our prospect knows to click there. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the link tab and let's go back over here to the offer and let's go ahead and grab this link. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I just messed something up here. All right, let me just close out of that. Boom. Okay. So let's go ahead and grab this link. So it's kind of tricky. Okay. Boom. Control C. Let's go ahead and come back over here and control V, like super easy, guys. And then what we want to do is we want to take out where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. You want to put in your affiliate ID, the one that you came up with whenever you set up this account. Okay. Now I put mine in. Don't put mine in. Put in yours that you came up with. Okay. And click on OK. All right. So what that does is see that turns that into a clickable link. All right. So you want to come down here and you want to do the same where it says hit this link and we want to turn that into a clickable link. So let's go here, control V, and then we want to come back here. Let's see here, boom. And then we want to take out this ClickBank affiliate ID and you want to put in yours, right? Okay, boom. All right, so let's go and click on OK. And what that does, we got two clickable links here. So control A, I like to make mine a little bigger, either 16 or 18. So let's go ahead and go there. So now look how good this email looks, right? It said we are addressing our prospect by the first name. All the letters is easy to read because the text is bigger. And then also you have two clickable links here where it says click here to apply. And then once our prospect reads a little bit more, it says hit this link. Okay. So down here at the very bottom, there's going to be two buttons. One is going to say apply now or preview. You want to click on preview. What that does is it's going to pull your email up in real time. Okay. And you're going to be able to click on these links. So what you want to do is you want to click on both of these links and you want to make sure that it goes to your affiliate page. When it goes to your affiliate page, you want to make sure that your affiliate ID is showing up in the URL. Okay. That's very important that you're looking for that. Okay. So once you see that affiliate ID in the URL at the top, then you want to come down here and you want to click on send. Okay, that's how easy it is, guys, to send out an email in the mailing system. Okay, and anyone can do it. All we're doing, if you are pretty good at just copying and pasting over here and then coming over here and just pasting it in, like this stuff is just super easy to do. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out all 8 of my accounts, guys. I just copy and paste, click send. Like it's just super easy to do. And you guys should probably get started today because you can make this thing work and this thing does pay. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the MyLegion secret system. It's super easy to do. Now, if you guys want to get started, there is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started. It's very inexpensive, and then $30 a month to keep the service. So what you're getting with that $30 a month, you're going to get thousands of people coming into your list, and that list, as long as you stay with the service, that list is just going to keep growing and growing and growing. Okay, guys. So eventually, you're just going to have millions of subscribers. Okay, and that's going to do wonders for you in your life. Okay. So, and it's going to help you get that extra income that you're looking for. All right. Now, these accounts, I've been having my ClickBank account. This account that I've had for a while now. I mean, I've only had just for a short time. Okay. I have multiple ClickBank accounts. Okay. And let's see here. This one is a new account. Okay. I only made this just for this challenge, just to show you guys that this stuff does work. Okay. And that's the only reason why I made this, so I can separate my other account, because I promote different opportunities and different offers in that account. Okay. But in this account, I just made this before this challenge started. Okay. That way I can start from scratch, start from day one, and just kind of show you guys how to send out these emails consistently, and then how you can earn the extra income. Right. So today is the 16th. I mean, I'm sorry, the 15th. Okay. It just hit midnight, but um, we're still on the 15th, guys, for the emails. We sent out an email last night, okay, and these are going to be the results that we got for the last few days here. So as you can see, the sales are starting to come in maybe every day, or every other day, or every 2 days. Okay, this is the algorithm that I'm seeing. I'm seeing them come in every day for a minute, and then skip a day, you get a sale, and then you skip a couple of days. Now, eventually, as we get further along, okay, in this process, we're going to start seeing those sales come in very close. Okay, they're going to be every other day, every day, every day, every other day, and then eventually they're just going to be every day. Okay, which is exciting. Okay, so let's see here. Today we did earn a commission today. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. Let's find out where that came from. Today is like I said, the 15th. These are the 15th results. We are promoting social sales rep. Okay. Now, don't pay attention to these other offers, guys. I do YouTube videos, and I guess just get organic traffic from those videos, guys. But the offer that we're promoting for this challenge is going to be the social sales rep. So today we got over 1,300 hops. Okay, and then we got 1,200 unique hops. That's really good, guys. I mean, 1,200 brand new people coming to our affiliate page, okay, which is really good. And that's some really decent traffic, okay. We got let's see here. We got one order from impression. So okay, so that's the one who went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy, okay. And our luck, guys, our person purchased the program today for the free trial, okay, which is really good, because what that means is that someone actually took a step, and bought the program. Okay, now we don't get paid from the free trial. They'll get billed for it in 3 days. Okay, and then let's go ahead and take a look over here, and it looks like we got a rebill. Okay, from whatever day that was, and we're going to find out. So we had a pretty good day today, guys. We got some really good traffic. We got an initial set. We got an initial order form impression. And we also got an initial sale, which is a free trial sale, and then we also got a rebill that we're getting with these $20 payments. Okay, which is really good. So today is not a bad day at all, since we did get that sale. Plus we got a rebill, so it's looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and go over here. Okay, and then let's go ahead and find out where this came from. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on that. All right, and then let's go ahead and go in here, and we're just going to go down here and click here. Okay. So this sale, actually, this rebill came from June. Yeah. June 15th. We did a free trial on the 12th of June. Okay. As you can see right here, and then they got billed on the 15th. Okay, and that person, as long as they stay on the list, they're going to just, as long as they stay with this offer, and they're working, they're making money, and they're happy, they're going to stay with our program. Okay, and they're going to keep getting billed month in and month out on the 15th. All right, and this is the only reason why I'm promoting this offer, guys, because it has a rebill of $20 every single month. So our job is to stack these $20 payments on top of each other, so that way we always got a free trial coming in, and then we also got always got somebody getting rebilled for the program. Okay, so this stuff is exciting, guys. We got, like I said, just a rebill from someone from last month. that still wants to stay with our program, and they got billed again. Okay. And today's the 15th, and they're going to get billed. Their next billing will be August the 15th. And we'll just keep getting those same payments from everyone that comes in on that free trial, guys. This stuff is powerful. Okay. So these are the type of offers that I like promoting. The ones that you set up one time, okay, and you get paid over and over and over and over again. Okay, those are the offers that I enjoy promoting. Okay, now they do have some offers where they're just front end commissions. There's no rebills. It is what it is, But this offer in particular, this is a good offer because it does offer a rebill of every month. So basically, the customer gets billed, they pay for the program, and then they get billed over and over and over again until they decide to cancel or stop working or quit working. Okay. So this is good here, guys. Just wanted to show you the results on what we did today. We did get traffic today. Okay. We did make money. All right. Which is really good. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and show you the results for today. And I wanted to show you how to send out an email in the mailing system. Okay. Which was very easy to do. So we sent out our emails tonight. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and shoot another video to show you guys pretty much the same thing, and then show you the results on what we do tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to end this video on that note, and I will come back here tomorrow. I'll see you guys at the same time, same place. All right, guys, peace.